You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn what's in for how to pronounce this word in English. Now, there could be a little bit of a confusion here, and if you want to learn how to pronounce the name of cookies that have this name but that normally have an acute accent on the E, I have a video for you. Now, this word here without the accent is pronounced sable, and it's an animal. Sable. I'll link to the video for the cookie one that comes from French. Here it is. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.